Merry Vlogmas!
Oh yeah.
So I'm the one in a rush today because I have to leave in a little bit to go and do all my errands.
Gallop. Yeah, what number?
21.
21. Oh, I can't see it.
Me either. There it is.
Oh, there.
Oh, champagne truffles.
Oh,
it's day one. It's how it all started.
Goes without saying. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish my hot drink. Then I'm going to enjoy this.
Okay.
And it will be divine.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
And Mum's walking the wrong way.
Why? She's using both legs.
21. Up here. It's a big one.
Oh,
it's another hot chocolate. She's completely destroyed the calendar. What's it say on the door?
5, 6, 7. Not too sweet. The perfect.
This is the one that I have. It's really nice. What does it say on the door? The door.
For snuggling in front of a festive film.
I've got 2 hot chocolates now because she didn't make her other one the other day.
No.
You'll have to do it this afternoon or something.
I may not have them.
Well, I'll have them then.
Yeah, I know you will.
Well, no, I wasn't using them because you want.
Yeah,
yours,
I know.
Oh, more patterns. Oh, it's floral. And so we've got more bra clasps, and then this feels like a cotton jersey, and it's got little flowers on it. But again, I will show you this closer up later on today. It does look pretty, but I need to get my laundry on because I have booked the washing machine. We have to book washing machines in this household because there's only one. There used to be 2, and now there's only one. So I've got to get my laundry on. Then I need to head into town because I'm getting my eyelashes done, and then I am having my booster jab. And I've cricked my neck on the other side this time. I think it's how I slept. Mum was saying it might be how I was sewing, but I think it's how I slept.
I hope so.
I hope so, because I can't keep doing this if it is me sewing. So yeah, anyway, let's get on and let them get their toast.
Later.
Okay, let's have a look in day 21. So another ribbon, which is very pretty. A hook and bar clasp 2 wide. Then this is, I'm guessing, a cotton jersey. It feels like cotton jersey, and it's very pretty indeed. So that is day 21, which is very nice. So I've come back from town, had my eyelashes done, looking very Bambi-esque at the moment. I had my booster jab. I did cry. I told them I was terrified when I went in. The guy was amazing and I barely felt it, but it's irrational. It's completely irrational. And I mean, I know this. I know it's not going to hurt. I know it's going to be fine, but yeah, I burst into tears. Just after having my eyelashes done, and the last thing you're meant to do is get them wet, so. But never mind, I've survived, and fingers crossed, no side effects. But I did have a lovely parcel this morning from Rachel. She saw this pattern and she said she thought it was very Zimmerman-esque. It's Simplicity 5609, and it's a shirt pattern with ruffles or lace inserts or kind of just extra doodads on it, and I think it's awesome, absolutely awesome. I don't know if it's the 70s or the 80s or possibly even the 90s. Where would one find a date on them? 1982, there we go. It's an 80s, early 80s pattern, but I love it. Thank you very much, Rachel. And it came with these lovely little buttons, which I've not, there we go. Yeah. Aren't they pretty? Really, really pretty. I can't work out where my lens is. There we go. Very, very pretty. So thank you, Rachel. It's been a very good present day, and it's going to continue to be a present day because I have my little pile of presents that I'm giving to people down here to wrap. I bought Mum and Dad's Christmas present today. We went to the garden centre to get something for Mum and Dad's friend, and they had it just says a garden, what did they call it? It's a bird. Well, it wasn't. It's got 3 kind of like things on it. It looks wrought iron. I don't think it is wrought iron, but it's got 3 things on it, and it's just a garden hanger, I think it was called. But I suggested, because Mum really misses the birds because Dad had and put bird feeders all over the pergola. We've got them outside the sewing room and we get to see birds down here frequently, but you miss them in your front room, don't you? And I saw it and I was like, you know what, you could hang some bird feeders off of that. So they're going to put it on the little top of the steps that they've got outside of the front room doors. Mac put it in a pot and try and like anchor it down and then put some bird feeders on it, and fingers crossed the birds will.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yes, but I wasn't going to wrap it because it was taller than I was. I'm just like, here you go, happy Christmas. So I don't need to wrap that one, but I do need to wrap the rest of these. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse, which means Mum can have her radio back on, and I'm going to get this done, and then I have a dress and a skirt to hem. And then tomorrow is filming day because Mum is trying to get the present for her friend finished today, so I'm keeping her from doing that by talking more, so I'll shut up and let her get back to sewing. And time lapse for you wrapping presents. Presents are wrapped. I've still got to get these up to London on Friday. This is not going to be fun. Me, suitcase, cat and presents. I might see if I can pack some of them into my suitcase, but the dragons, these two big ones, I think they just get really, really squished. So we'll see, but I'm going to put that to the side for now. I have my skirt and my dress that need hemming, and I'm going to take those back up to my room and watch some episodes of The Witcher whilst I do that. I got Mum and Dad's present wrapped to go under the tree because there's more than one, but yeah, like I said, I've bought them a garden thingy, so that one's not going to get wrapped, and it's already in the front room waiting for Dad to kind of work out how to put it outside. But yes, I think yeah, my neck is really hurting today, so I'm gonna go and sit and see if I can hem these things up in my room because it's quite chilly down here. Mum's only got the heating up to 19 degrees. My room's way warmer than that. I will report back later and let you know how I get on with hemming. Shouldn't take me too long. It's probably been the shortest Vlogmas so far this year, but I am currently trapped under a cat. But I did manage to get my skirt and my dress hemmed, so I am all ready for filming tomorrow. So far I don't even have a sore arm. The thing that's hurting today is my shoulder, where I've pulled a muscle in my back, and yeah, that really hurts. But never mind. Hopefully by tomorrow it'll be fine. So tomorrow, as you guys know, I'm going to be filming all the twirls for the stuff that I've made in December. Then I'm going to be doing my year in review and all those videos that I've mentioned. Oh, no longer trapped under a cat. Ah, fresh air. She's like a little hot water bottle. So yeah, I'm going to be doing all of the filming for all of the videos that I've previously mentioned. I think I have about 10 to film. I want to get them edited and uploaded, at least 4 of them over the next couple of days. I'm going to do my year in review. I'm hoping that's going to go up on Christmas Eve, and my too long didn't read version of that, the top 5 hits and misses of the year, will go up on Christmas Day. And then I will space the rest out over the time that I'm in London, because like I say, I'm in London until the 10th, so I'm starting back work on the 11th. I'll still be working because I've got lots of stuff to do, but I probably won't be filming too much whilst I'm up there. But yeah, it's been a productive day, which has been good. It has been good. I have got most of my to-do list crossed off. There's only one thing that I haven't done, and that is edit the vlog. But I needed to say goodnight to you guys, so that's what I'm doing now. So I hope you've enjoyed the very little bit that I've done today. I know it wasn't kind of Christmassy or sewing. Well, the present wrapping was Christmassy, but it definitely wasn't sewing related. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the little bit I filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!